Hello guys and welcome to a new video. Today we are going to be restoring a gaming laptop that I purchased off of eBay for £15. So let's get right into it. So here's the box the laptop came in. I had already opened the box just to make sure there was actually a laptop inside. As I opened the box, I couldn't help but notice how poor the packaging was inside, only using two pieces of cardboard to hold the laptop in place during transit. I'm surprised it made it back in one piece. Kind of. Okay, now it's out the box, let's see what kind of condition it's really in. Just from opening the screen lid, we can see that the laptop is in okay condition, but is very dirty. So, let's talk specs. This laptop came with a Core 2 Duo T6600 at 2.2 GHz, 4GB DDR3 RAM, and an Nvidia GeForce 9700M GT. Okay, let's see if this thing turns on. And as we can see, the laptop has no power. Strangely, I could hear a slight ticking noise when I plugged in the laptop, which this could be a sign of a short, so let's try and fix it. Once I was inside the laptop, I noticed things started getting a little bit more sketchier. There was corrosion inside the laptop as well as rust on the heatsink and all around the panels. What was wrong with the charger port? And as we can see, it's full of tape and it's most likely been shorting for a long while, which has caused it to not work at all. Since everything in this system is pretty much broken or scrap and rusted out, I decided just to bin the laptop but keep the graphics card, the CPU and the RAM, which I tested in another system and it seems to work 100%. So what I did was I went on eBay and found another laptop exactly the same in perfect condition, which I'm going to be transferring all the high spec stuff into the low end system. So stay tuned for part 2 and watch this laptop become one of the best gaming laptops from 2008. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and make sure to turn on post notifications to find out when I upload part 2, which will be even more of a banger than this one.